Hello everyone, my name is Barbara. I'm the owner of Spanish for Kiddos, and today I want to show you a fun informational text called Bilingual Solar System and Earth, el Sistema Solar y la Tierra, and we're going to learn all about the planets and everything that it's about the solar system, and a cute activity at the end with our little rocket here that we'll do that here in a few minutes. So let's begin. The solar system has 8 planets, the sun and moons. The planets closest to the sun are Mercury and Venus. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. El sistema solar tiene 8 planetas, el Sol y lunas. Los planetas más cercanos al Sol son Mercurio y Venus. Mercurio es el planeta más cercano al Sol. Next, you can find Earth and Mars. The planets Earth, Mars, Venus, and Mercury make up the inner planets. They have a rocky surface. Después puedes encontrar a la Tierra y Marte. Los planetas Tierra, Marte, Venus y Mercurio constituyen los planetas interiores. Ellos tienen una superficie de rocas. After Mars, you can find the outer planets. The planets Jupiter and Saturn are big planets. These planets are composed of hydrogen and helium. Después de Marte, puedes encontrar los planetas exteriores. Los planetas Júpiter y Saturno son planetas grandes. Estos planetas son compuestos de hidrógeno y helio. Uranus and Neptune are the last planets in the solar system. They are also outer planets. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. Urano y Neptuno son los últimos planetas del sistema solar. Ellos también son planetas exteriores. Neptuno es el planeta más lejano del Sol. Earth goes around the sun in 365 days. A year is 365 days. That's incredible. Also, Earth has a moon. La Tierra va alrededor del Sol en 365 días. Un año tiene 365 días. Eso es increíble. También la Tierra tiene una luna. And so here is the full solar system. So you have the inner planets and the exterior planets. And so it starts from the sun. Close to the sun is Mercurio, Venus, Earth, Tierra, Mars, Marte, Jupiter, Júpiter, Saturn, Saturno, Uranus, Urano, Neptune, Neptuno. So Pluto, and if you have noticed that Pluto was at some point part of the solar system, and why it's not considered one now. So Pluto used to be considered a planet of the solar system. Now it's called a dwarf planet. It's a dwarf planet because it's found in the Kuiper belt. Also, Pluto doesn't have a clear path as it orbits around the sun. Plutón solía ser considerado un planeta del sistema solar. Ahora se llama un planeta enano. Es un planeta enano porque se encuentra en el Kuiper belt. También Plutón no tiene un paso claro cuando gira en órbita alrededor del Sol. So that is a specific type of planet, in this case Pluto, dwarf planet, compared to our other planets in the solar system. And that is very specific terminology, and as you notice that there's a lot of terms here that are important, like planets. What's a planet? What's a sun? A star, and in this case a dwarf planet, and it's got a lot of special terminology in there as well. So that's a great thing to go over. We actually have quite a few things at our Spanish for Kiddos shop, such as the life cycle of stars and our planets, our solar system of planets, that goes in much detail to what that is, and you can check that out as well. So here's another fun game that you can do about the solar system, and it's actually our rocket here. And if you have a little rocket, or you can just maybe find a sticker and then paste it on a craft stick, and what you're doing is you're trying to find your way back to Earth in your rocket. But the only way you can do that is if you have the right combination of syllables. You're finding syllables that go together, because this doesn't make a syllable. This does not make syllables that are put together and not make a Spanish word. But if I go rojo, rojo, red, that gives me a word. I put the syllables together, it gives me the word. And rosa, a rose, rosa, I go this way. And then regla, ruler. And then risa, smile. And then I get to earth. So I go this way and back home. So you can play that along if you want to. And there are many ways that you can do that. You can use a marker to guide the rocket back to Earth, or you can put this on a, maybe a sheet protector, and then find a marker that can go along there. You can do that as well. That's a simple way to do that too. So many different ways that you can do that. Super, super simple, fun. Something interesting that the kiddos can do, and not just only learn about the solar system, of course, but actually learn about syllables as well. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed this fun informational text in English and Spanish. Join me another time as I read another fun story in English and Spanish. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.